Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Honey Farm. Get Emails is the world's first email-based retargeting solution built for enterprise e-commerce. It's the proven solution for marketers looking to grow e-commerce revenue by sending real-time abandonment emails to anonymous users. Get Emails identifies up to 35% of your anonymous traffic, and it passes you customer records that you don't already have. It is 100% CAN-SPAM compliant and totally legal in the United States. It is free to start, takes 60 seconds to set up, and integrates with most email providers. For e-commerce, this creates a new channel for customer acquisition that no one else has used. Customer acquisition cost is around $20 to $40. You will be emailed to colder traffic, which means you have to warm them up a little by providing value to them first. How does Get Emails work? Reclaim cart and browse abandoners. Add a human element to your sales with one-to-one marketing and stop losing customers at the point of sale to unanswered questions. We provide customers who are not logged in and not on your list. Identify users you should know. Real, deliverable, and targeted anonymous emails, all for fractions of the cost of paid search. We provide real customer email addresses to help you retarget users who just left your site with personalized offers. Is it legal? It is legal in the United States only. It is not GDPR compliant. It works by matching up the identification in your customers' browsers with their own data that they have sold. Email marketing in the United States is OPTOUT and not OPTN, like the rest of the world. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.